Hello everyone, welcome to InfoComm Show 2026. This is Kevin from Vistech Technology, and now I want to introduce our another product. This kind of product is the Sinage HDMI function. The big feature is HDMI. As you know, the LD screen system is easier for everybody to use and understand. This kind of screen big feature is that it's without Nova Star or color light control system. That everybody can easy to understand and use it. Use the HDMI cable from the laptop, then can put to the screen. It's very easy to use. And as you can see, let's see the connector. Connector is here. As you can see, you can use the USB, use the HDMI cable, and to connect from the laptop to the screen. Easy to control and use. Yeah. So if you want to get more information about this kind of awesome synergy, you can contact with us. Can visit our website, visttechnology.com, or visit our Twitter account or the YouTube, Facebook to find us. Thank you so much.